everyone, Hugo here from Owen Reilly. We're here in the penthouse in the Opus building, Grand Canal Dock. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom apartment spread over 263 square metres, currently on the rental market for just over €14,500 per month. Being in Grand Canal Dock, this property is close to a host of amenities, from water sports on your doorstep, to the Aviva Stadium minutes away, to evenings in the Bord Gáis. This property has it all. If you're looking to escape Dublin's busy city living, kick your feet up in your own cinema room. The penthouse also avails of this private 130 square metre roof terrace with spanning views over Dublin City. If you would like some more information on this property, make sure you click the link in our description and subscribe for more.